In this BDRSuite How-to Series video, I'll show you how to add a PostgreSQL server running on Linux as a data source for backup. Let's get started. First, open the BDRSuite Backup Server console. The video link in the description provides details on installing and setting up the backup server. Enter username, password, and click Sign In. Click on the Applications DBs main menu. Navigate to the Data Sources, PostgreSQL Database Server menu. You can add both Windows and Linux servers running PostgreSQL. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Linux server running PostgreSQL database. You can check the link in the description for adding a PostgreSQL server running on Windows. Following that, click on the Add PostgreSQL Database Server button. Choose the option Manual Agent Installation. This is the default and recommended installation method for adding a PostgreSQL server to BDRSuite. In the manual method, you'll need to install the backup agent, a mandatory component for database backups, on each server you plan to back up databases from. It operates on port 32004, so ensure your firewall rules allow this port. You can download the backup agent based on your Linux distribution, such as Debian or Red Hat. In this video, I'll install Backup Agent on Ubuntu machine running PostgreSQL database. Click the download button alongside the Debian Linux to get the backup agent. Now, let us look at the backup agent installation process. Open the terminal and sign in as the root user by using the command sudo su. Then, locate the BDRSuite delegation service file. Unzip the installer file using the command shown on the screen. Next, run the BDRSuite delegation service binary file. Following that, read the agreement. Click the button I accept and proceed. Next, enter the backup server's DNS name or IP address. Once the backup agent is installed, it will automatically connect to the backup server using these details. Next, choose the backup component, PostgreSQL Backup, and click Next. Provide the PostgreSQL database details, such as username, password, PostgreSQL executable path, and dump path. Click Next. Review the configuration and click Install to begin the installation. BDRSuite Backup Agent components are now being installed. This might take a few minutes. Let us wait for the installation to complete. Finally, click Finish. BDRSuite Backup Agent is successfully installed and will automatically connect to the backup server using the IP address or DNS name provided during installation. This may take a few minutes. Meanwhile, you can verify and manage the BDRSuite Backup Agent from the directory shown on the screen. Once the backup agent starts running and establishes connection to the backup server, the PostgreSQL Database Server will be successfully listed as a data source. You can identify the host using its IP address or the display name you configured and manage the host from here. You can now configure backup for PostgreSQL databases. Navigate to the Backup, Configure Backup menu and click on PostgreSQL Database. For a detailed video on how to backup and restore PostgreSQL databases, check the link in the description. Now it's your turn to try it out. Visit our website to start your free trial, and if you need any assistance, contact BDR Support. Thanks for watching.